Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Starz on Samsung Smart TV step by step clearly. Begin by turning on your Samsung Smart TV. Ensure that your TV is connected to the internet. From the home screen, navigate to the Apps section. In the Apps menu, use the search function to find the Starz app. Once you locate the Starz app, select it to open the app page. Click on the Install or Download button to begin the installation process. Wait for the app to download and install on your TV. Once installed, open the Starz app. You will see an activation code displayed on your screen. Using a computer or mobile device, open a web browser. Go to the Starz activation website. Enter the activation code from your TV screen into the designated field. Sign in with your Starz account credentials, or create a new account if necessary. Follow the prompts to complete the activation process. Return to your Samsung Smart TV. You should now have full access to the Starz content library. Enjoy watching your favorite shows and movies on Starz. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.